Captions. But as a movie, we know it's gotta be crazy.
見つけてくれた。だから俺の心はマキマさんだけのものだ。
Dude, I actually missed this show heavy, bro.
でも体が
Are you still thinking about power, bro? He said my body got other ideas. Makima got my heart, but this, I'm trying to slang it. Oh, so is this Rize a new person? Oh! We might go to the theaters. Are they just gonna slide that Mappa? Damn. Mappa, damn. Wait, because I'm trying to figure out. It's okay, so we got Makima right here. Shall we go back? So that's Rize. Hey, I'm not gonna lie. Why they both in the bed, bro? Did Zero look up, bro? Did he look up? What? Those keys are crazy. Oh, that was just a dream. Bro, go take a shower, dog. Nope, not a dream. I do. Oh, you funny, Denji. Oh, this Rize. Oh, that's no good, bro. You can't play them both. You can't play them both. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is a freaky ass movie. It's gonna be a freaky ass movie. Alright, Denji gonna have a hard time, bro. Not the pool scene, bro. Why are y'all, what, this ain't even an onsen, bro. Birthday suit. Ooh, you kissed her on the 4th tomorrow. Ooh, Maki, you might watch out CCTV. Damn. Said boom. Where your clothes at? What the hell? Oh, Rize, you're No! Oh my gosh, she said boom, bro. I would have been God. Big ups to Aki, bro. Bro, that mask look like overhaul, bro. Holy smokes. Mappa, y'all, look, I know they